welcome back to the channel. My name is Edrich, and today I'm going to be opening this.
What's that?
It's a Minion.
Is it Lego?
Piggy bank.
Oh, nice.
And it's also Lego. So let's open it. Okay, we're gonna go over here to open it. Okay. Yeah, okay. I can't open it. Guys, I can't open it. It's so hard. Come on.
Wait.
Open.
Help you.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. Hi, guys. I'm back, and my dad opened this, and there's so many Legos in here. Look. One pack. Other pack. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. There's 9 pieces. Packs. There's 9 packs of Legos. Look at this. Guys, I have no space for my Legos. So look at that. So many. There's so many Legos. Okay, guys. There is also an instructions here. Okay, here's the instructions. This is the instructions. Okay, so we have these. I don't think you can see it, but you can barely see it. Okay. Okay. It's the one book? Oh, yeah. It's one. Okay. First, we need to get 2 things. 2x. There's gray in here, actually. I didn't know the instructions. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open them all so I can see everywhere. Because look, this is the pieces I need. Look, that one and that one. I'm gonna open them all so I can see it. So I'm gonna open them all, and while you guys wait. So guys, I'm gonna make part 2 because look, there's just so many. You can build like this. So bye. Guys, I almost forgot, like and subscribe if you want to see part 2 if you want to see part 2 me making the Minion. So bye, guys.